2 more people test positive for COVID-19 in Algoma district, SooToday. Investigators only had limited power to act on daily, suspicious cash transactions at BC Casino. Manager, CBC.ca. Recipe for relaunching aerospace sector missing public support, sector report says. Business News, Castanet.net. Jack Ma gets a warning from China on ants' rapid expansion. Yahoo Canada Finance. Nutrien takes $587 million loss on phosphate fertilizer impairment charge. BNN. Le Chateau liquidation starts with discounts available at stores and online. CTV News. Jim Cramer breaks down Monday's rotation. Value has lagged. CNBC. 16 workers at kiosk test positive for COVID-19, another 15 given, not clear, result. MB Hydro, CBC.ca. Labour Minister appoints mediator as Dominion strike enters 11th week, CBC.ca. Starbucks closes downtown London store, says more drive-through locations coming, CBC.ca.